In a lush forest, there lived a wise old owl named Oliver and a kind-hearted fox named Felix. Oliver was known far and wide for his wisdom and guidance, while Felix was loved for his generosity and caring nature. One day, a severe drought struck the forest, leaving the animals struggling to find water and food. Felix, with his quick wit, managed to find a hidden spring where water still flowed. Felix immediately shared this discovery with the forest inhabitants, ensuring they all had access to the precious resource. The animals were immensely grateful for Felix's kindness, and the forest buzzed with a newfound sense of unity and gratitude. Among the grateful animals was a young rabbit named Rosie. Inspired by Felix's generosity, she approached Oliver, the wise owl, seeking guidance on how she could repay the kindness she had received. Oliver thought for a moment and then advised, "The best way to show gratitude is to pass on kindness. Help others in need, and let the cycle of generosity continue." Taking Oliver's advice to heart, Rosie started assisting animals in various ways, just as Felix had done for her. She helped the elderly find food, shared her burrow with those who had lost their homes, and offered comfort to the distressed. Her acts of kindness inspired other animals to do the same, and soon the forest became a hub of compassion and support. The once dry spring even started flowing again, rejuvenated by the collective acts of kindness. Witnessing this transformation, Oliver the owl said to Felix the fox, "Your initial act of kindness has set off a chain reaction of goodwill and generosity. Never underestimate the impact of a kind gesture." Felix smiled, grateful for the lesson he had learned. The forest flourished not only with the return of water, but with the abundance of kindness that had taken root in every heart. The moral of this story is that kindness begets kindness. A single act of generosity can inspire a series of benevolent actions, creating a chain reaction of goodwill. Just as the forest blossomed with kindness, our world too can flourish when we cultivate a culture of compassion and support for one another.